going to have to leave you now and go to work. See you tomorrow!
You're working at the cafe today? Well, take care.
Good luck with work, Saki.
Bye-bye.
She was even more hyper than usual today.
Maybe something nice happened to put her in a good mood. Like having her favorite food for dinner.
She'd have told us. She's just like a little kid, bragging about having delicious Hamburg steaks.
But if it's not, what could it be?
I wonder too.
Well, whatever it is, it's good that she's happy. I'll be going to the music store.
I have some shopping to do. See you later, Ichika.
Okay. See you tomorrow. Maybe Saki was so reluctant simply because she enjoys hanging out with us.
Thank you so much for coming all the way to see me, Ichi!
If anything, I owe you an apology for not visiting more.
Don't be silly! It's a 2-hour journey by the high-speed train for you. The tickets must be super expensive. I'd feel bad if you were making this long journey again and again. I wish I could see Hona and Shiho too, but it's understandable they couldn't make it. I'll just have to put all of my energy into getting better so that we can hang out together again.
Hopefully that'll happen soon, Saki. I'll be going now. See you later.
Okay, see you! Oh, by the way, peach doll cookies from the confectionery at the station make great little gifts. Maybe you can get some to take back with you. Bye, Ichi!
Saki, bye. She just wanted to be back with all of us so much. I'm really happy we got this band going now.
All done for today. Oh, right. There, done. Thank you. You too. My planner's loaded. I've got band stuff, school club activities, and part-time work. I'm living life to the fullest. It's just that I miss them so much. I want to spend more time with them. A new poster? They must have put it up today. The astronomical observatory is now open to the public. Witness the wonders of the night sky with friends or family. This is it! We could stargaze together. Teenage life doesn't get more dreamy than this. Sekai has all of those pretty stars, but I'd like to see the night sky in the real world too. So where's this observatory? Ah, it's near the station on that trendy street nearby. We could go shopping around noon, then have lunch. It's the perfect opportunity to check out that bakery I read about in a magazine recently. And there's also the art gallery I wanted to go to. But will we have enough time for all of that? We'll have to find the time! It's going to be a day filled with memorable experiences! Stargazing at the observatory at the end of the awesome day will be the cherry on the cake! It's going to be so much fun! Okay, I've gotta organize this! We're going to do everything!